Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. I haven't posted anything for a while. I really haven't done any upgrades to the printers, but been trying something new. I've been printing some birdhouses, so that's what I'm working on now. This one is interesting. It's called a Craftsman style birdhouse, and it's taken me about 5 days so far. I'm printing the last two little pieces it's purchased for it. And then these are robin birdhouses. I had trouble with both this one and this one. I tried PETG, and the difficulty I had was it was a little moist down here, and I had some layer separation. So these I'm printing in PAL, or PLA, I'm sorry, and seeing how that comes out. And I also did a new design. I'm trying to make the mounting holes keyhole, so you can put some screws or nails in and then just drop it on there. You'll see how that works, but I'll post some links to these at the end of the video. And this, I'm printing a new filament holder, so this will replace these bars or dowels I've had, and they're going to look more like this. So use some bearings and a threaded rod and some nuts. But and these are some chameleons that I've had pretty good luck with. I've printed a bunch so far, and what I'm trying to do now is print these in a multi-colored filament to see how that'll come out. And what I found using this in the past, you have to print quite a few to get the filament colors to change. Otherwise it's all going to look like one color, so I'm doing 9 of these. So that's pretty much what I've been up to. Having a lot of fun with these and trying something different. So that's, I thought I'd just do a quick post, and thanks for watching, and as always, value your comments. Thank you.